We have some bad news. Paul's depressed. We did an oil change to start the spring season. We found metal in the oil pan, which can mean a few things. Either the timing chain is gone, early stages of rod knock, cams being chewed to shit. We'll see. We're gonna take the valve covers off and we're gonna check everything. This is a super, super sad day, but we'll get it sorted and get this car back on the road ASAP. Let's get to it. Can't forget the cheeseburgers, bro. So mint. Paul and I have now gotten down to a bit of the nitty gritty here. So far the cam looks pretty good. You don't see any like metal debris or anything coming from cam lobes, which is like a good sign. And now we're looking at the timing chain. Sorry that it's a bit, there you go. And the timing chain looks mint, and the timing chain is tight, which means the tensioner is good. And the plastic guide seems like they're all in the right place. Nothing seems too banged up. So for now we're done up here. Now we gotta go under the car, pull the oil pan, drain the oil, see if there's any more metal flake in it, and then check the rod bearings down below. But so far up top, we're looking good. Okay, so like we were saying before, we didn't see any evidence of metal scraps or pieces or anything that indicate anything is broken up top. So now we finished up top, reassembled it. Now we're gonna go check out down below, drain the oil. Alright, so this is what we got. Drain this bad boy of its oil. When I was looking at the oil when it was coming out, I didn't see any kind of flakiness, like metal flakes or any sparkling from anything like that. It looked pretty clear. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop the car back down, and then Paul's gone upstairs to go grab another container. So we're gonna strain this oil pan. We're gonna strain the oil through this fine mesh strainer. I just picked it up from Dollarama for like $2. We're gonna see if we pick up any metal flake or chunks of anything, to be honest. There's two things we're gonna do. One, if there's no oil, if there's no metal in it, good sign. We're just gonna continue driving the car because, well, it might just have been a leftover bits and chunks from someone changing the timing chain from the past owner, or even the bottom of the timing chain guides maybe chipped away a little bit, but the timing chain seemed okay. So we're gonna drive it, and if there's more metal chunks in it, we're gonna drive it again anyway, and see how long it lasts. Because if the rod bearings are gone in the engine, it's basically, well, for used parts, getting a used block is the same price as pulling out getting new rod bearings and a new crankshaft and getting that all set up. It's probably even more than just getting a used engine. So either way, we're gonna drive it, but we'll strain it now. So we're gonna set you guys up here so you can see whether the oil is all messed up. All right. We got the light, got a strainer that'll hold. Okay. Let's strain it through. Okay. It's a little bit of metal fleck up there, but it's super, super, super small. But that's the only area that you can see it.
Yeah.
So,
Looks good to me.
yeah, and in here, not a single,
Let's see.
not a single piece of metal.
Okay, good.
Nothing. So, looks like we might be okay for a little longer. Anyway, I just want to thank you guys and everybody that's subscribed and watched this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. I swear, I promise that the content will get better. It's just I'm sorting out how to do this. This is all new to me, and it's a lot of work. No matter what anybody says about filming YouTube, it's a lot of work. Because you gotta film it, and you gotta film it where it's like slightly entertaining and also be informative, and then you gotta edit it all, and you gotta watch yourself over and over again and try not to be so judgmental. But it's weird. But anyway, I just want to say thank you, and I appreciate every single one of you. And on that note, see you guys in the next video.